Everyone changes with time, so why not nature? Once unimaginable rice fields are now a reality in Britain. Just a few miles north of Cambridgeshire, the country's very first rice crop is ready for harvest. Researchers planted 9 varieties imported from Brazil, Colombia, and Philippines during winter. This year, Britain recorded its warmest summer in over a century, creating the perfect conditions for the plants to grow. But how did it happen? The process wasn't easy. Nadine Mitsunas, lead researcher at the Center for Ecology and Hydrology, recalls that when she told people she was growing rice in the UK, most thought she was joking. Scientists believe if the climate continues to warm, rice farming in England could one day expand on a much larger scale. And bird lovers are excited too. They say the curlew, once abandoned across the UK but now mostly seen in Mediterranean rice fields, might finally return to British wetlands, drawn back by these unexpected rice paddies. Nusrat Anunna, Daily Sun.